Well, I planted 4 rows of potatoes. I planted about 3 feet apart, rows about 3 feet apart, potatoes about 1 foot apart, about 12 inches apart. I put them in a little wire fryer basket and just sifted some wood ash on top of them, and then went back through. If I had any wood ash left in the little strainer, I just kind of sifted the wood ash as I came back. So we will turn the plows around on the Hoss wheel hoe. Right now they're set to make a furrow. Widen them out, turn them around, and set them to cover up some taters. We got some cold weather coming in about 3 days. I hope covering them up is protection enough. But we got a lot of rain coming tonight, and I just got to get them in the ground. It's just gonna get so wet down here. I was gonna plant them on that side, but my land slopes actually this way. Not just this way, but kind of this way too. So it really has a slope like this. And that corner down there stays wetter than the rest of this garden. So I went ahead and planted them on this side of the garden, thinking that this side stays drier than that side. We'll see. So let me cover them up. I'll show you that as we turn the plows around. Well, that's it. I got 4 rows covered up. You know, I didn't get really extensive in the video because it's sprinkling. Rain started out misting, now sprinkling a little bit. Don't want to get the camera wet. But you know, basically, you know, to put your eyes up on your potatoes. I always plant with the eyes up. You don't want the flat side down. In other words, cut side down, eyes up. Everybody should know that, but in case you don't. So we'll see how it goes. Like I say, got lots of, I don't know, lots of rain coming. And 3 mornings, going to get down to 25-ish, 23, 25. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I think. So we'll see how they fare down there. I hope the earth insulates them enough. We'll see. Hope I didn't plant them for nothing. I got a bunch to give away. Not a bunch, I got some to give away. Maybe 2 or 3 pounds each of the brands, each of the kinds. That's an Adirondack blue I just showed you. And then we have a Yukon Gold. I only had enough for 1 Yukon Gold. They didn't have a lot of eyes on them. They were big potatoes, but just didn't have a lot of eyes, so I didn't get to plant as many. That's German butterball. So, gotta get in the barn, get everything put up, and we'll show you when they start sticking their heads up. Hopefully it's not too soon, because we may still have some cold weather. So I hope they stay down there a while. All right, I believe that's it. I'm out of breath. Bending over is not as easy as it used to be. It's just not as easy as it used to be. Anyway, that's it. We are gone.